On to the next part, which is the Taurapa. Taurapa. So let's go download the Taurapa. Here it is. Taurapa, click on taurapa.png. That downloads it, and then we can go back to the sprite thing here and go to upload sprite and get the Taurapa. Ooh, it's quite big. Again, let's change the name to Taurapa. Let's change the size to Rima to go 50. Still too big. Whāteko. Still too big. Toru to go. Ooh, too small. Halfway in between. Toru to go marima. A little bit more. Toru to go mawhitu. Yes. Bye. Okay, got it. Boom.